Hello everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we are looking at multiplying and dividing rational expressions. So it is usually helpful to think about the steps for doing these things. Our first step is always going to be to factor each numerator and denominator completely. If it's division, change it so that you are multiplying by the reciprocal. Just like when you divided fractions in the past. And then finally, cancel anything, any repeated factors in either numerator or denominator, and then combine. Okay, so if we have something like 7n over 24n minus n squared minus 64n times 9n minus 24 over 7n, obviously our 7n is not going to simplify, so we'll just bring that down. Factor, so we'll bring that down. If we want to look at these two, they have a common factor of 8n, so then we would be left with 3n minus 8. Looking at our next numerator, 9 and 24 have a factor of 3, and that's the only GCF, and you're left with 3n minus 8, and then a 7n. So now we want to look at either numerator and either denominator, because as long as this is a multiplication, this is basically just one big fraction. Those two will cancel out, and then our 3n minus 8 and our 3n minus 8 will cancel out. So all we will have remaining in the numerator is a 3, and in the denominator is an 8n. And then we know that we need to figure out where our original factors of our denominator were undefined. So obviously, n cannot equal 0. If we have 3n minus 8 equals 0, then n cannot equal an 8/3, and the 7n is going to just lead to another 0. Okay, so to simplify, we have m plus 1 over 3m minus 15 divided by 8m minus 80 and m over m squared minus 9m minus 10. Now, you can factor first. It really doesn't matter if you factor first or if you do change the division to multiplication. Our first one will always stay the same, so I'm going to go ahead and factor that. And I do want to bring your attention to the fact that you're going to have to flip this. Because remember, when we divide by a fraction, it's like multiplying by its reciprocal. So to finish the factoring, oops, sorry, that should just be a 5. So the numerator, m squared minus 9n minus 10, is going to turn into an m minus 10 times an m minus 1. The denominator is going to be 8 times m minus 10. So, because it is multiplication now, we can just look at the whole thing. M minus 10s cancel out. And that looks to be about it. Your simplified form will be the m plus 1 times the m minus 1 here and here. I'm going to multiply the 3 and the 8 in the denominator, 24, m minus 5. And then thinking about